Hello, I just wanted to quickly overview the progress section of Acellus and talk a little bit about why we recommend uh, not paying attention to some things in there and instead using our weekly target sheets, which are posted on our website. So first, let's go ahead and go to this progress area. And you'll notice right here in the center of the screen is your weekly progress report. And this nice colorful bar breaks out the week, Monday through Friday, gives you some clear steps. The reason why we discourage students and families from using this bar and this version of progress monitoring is that it seems like this bar will reset every week regardless of the student's true progress in the course. So for example, if you have worked far ahead in the class, well, next week this bar is just going to reset and it's going to say that you have more work to do, even though technically that's not really true. You're far ahead. Or what if you're far behind? Maybe you haven't started a class yet. Well, every week this bar is just going to reset and give you the same number of lessons to do, even though you need to actually work a little bit faster and complete more work than what's given in this progress bar. So again, just disregard this section right here. It's unfortunate that that's the way that Acellus has built their progress monitoring, but that's just the way that it is. Instead, it's better to look over here at course progress. This is your overall course progress. And for example, I'm selecting my trigonometry semester 1 and semester 2 class, and it says that I am on step 2 out of 152 total steps. So basically I haven't started this class yet in this example. So this is giving me my current step out of the total number of steps in the course. So now with this information, actually, let me pick a current. That's an old class. Let's pick a current one. Hopefully I'm enrolled in a current one. Let's do independent study music theory. Aha. Okay, so course progress says I'm at step 49 out of 325, and I'm in high school right now. So let's go find independent study music theory on the HROA website and the weekly target sheet. So I'm going to open a new tab here, hoodriver.k12.or.us/HROA. The target sheets can be found under parents. So I'm just doing a single tap there. Acellus weekly target sheets. It's the second selection. So I'm going to do a single tap there. Scrolling down a little ways, here are the weekly target sheets, so high school, middle school, and elementary. I believe that independent music study course is a high school course, so I'm going to single tap there. All right, and here is our weekly target sheet. So let's scroll down and find that class. Oh, it's not here. So actually, maybe I picked a bad example. Let's go back and see if I can find a different one. How about personal finance? Personal finance, okay. Course progress, step 19 out of 156. Let's go find personal finance. Aha, there it is. All right, so here's the personal finance course. So how do you use this? Well, first I can scroll up and down within this little box here. So that's something to note. Personal finance, the numbers in these rows and columns, that indicates what step I should be on that particular date. So right here, this says number 19, step 19. If I just scroll up to the top in the first column, That would be for September 25th. So on September 25th, I should be at, I believe it was step 19 in personal finance. Yep, there it is. And that's how you use that. So here's a good example of why we recommend not using the progress bar. In personal finance, it says I'm at step 19. That means I'm caught up. As of the recording of this video, it's September 23rd. Technically, I'm caught up, but the progress report says that I'm behind, that I have more work to do. And in this case, it wouldn't be a big deal if I kept working ahead, but it's not totally accurate. So don't use the progress report bar here. Use your overall steps in conjunction with our target sheet, which you can find on the Hood River Options Academy website. Okay, hope that helps.